Okay, let's see here. Let's switch it. Or should we switch step? Okay. Alright. It's a nice drizzly day here in Pennsylvania. And we are at the park. I brought an MRE with me. Menu number 7. Brisket entree, gravy, and seasoned beef brisket slices. Now, that's Trump. Who do you think that is? Kanye West. That's what on this before when they come out to the troops, it was just like Trump, Kanye West sitting down with an MRE. So, yeah. Let's turn this over this way so you guys can watch the dogs in the background. If you can see them, I can't. I can barely see Rocky there. So I wanted to go over what's in this. It's getting ready to storm on me or rain on me. Their bowl for water. I've got a magnesium rod. So it's been raining off and on today. Little drizzles. A flashlight, which it comes off really easily. So I gotta watch. Of course, your water. Alright, we'll open up the back here. And I got a little Band-Aid kit with some antiseptic pads, alcohol pads. So, yeah, let's do this like that so I can be seen. So, some Band-Aids. In this bag here, I got lip gloss, 2 lighters, some teeth, things to clean your teeth, ear cleaners, Q-tips. Then I got some, basically it's a cotton cloth. You just add water to it. It's called coin. You can get them on Amazon on Amazon. I have an extra drink tube. I have an extra. I guess this is to cap it off if I don't want to drink. Just interesting, that one. Some super glue, and then in this one I have some Aleve. So I have a pocket knife, which I think I'm just going to put that in this bag. I put everything in bags so that it stays dry. Well, most of it anyway. Well, just the stuff there. Going for the pouch in here. I got a emergency blanket, so I can fold that out and get warm, or make a tent or a lean-to. This here I got off of Amazon, and it's the chainsaw, so I can cut wood. This I want to test out, see how good it is. But I don't really have to put it in here. I can actually, wear it because it's got the belt loop thing. So I have some waterproof matches, the ones that will, I got a little bit of tinder in there, but I got lots of these waterproof matches in here, so just in case. Striker on the outside. What did I do with the other striker? Yeah, it's in here in this plastic right here. So I have a cotton ball in there for tinder, need be. Alright, that's that pouch. Alright, over here on the left side I have my drill, or to make holes and to, probably make furniture out with this if I need to. Drill holes and carve what I need to carve. Very sharp, very sharp. I cut myself on it a few times. Where'd the kids go? Oh, there's one. Here's the other. They're behind us. They're behind me. I got a case I need to be visible so I don't get run over at night. A Sergeant Major protector, and so I know a Sergeant Major may pop out of the woods somewhere and tell me I need to get it on, so I brought one. Got two hand warmers. Two hand warmers. Actually, there's four here, so that'd be 40 hours of warmth. I got some cord, some 550 cord, bright. I got some some candy, energy. Oh, they feel like they're melted together. The heat from being outside here, out in the weather, has melted them together. Got some energy gum and some more energy. Jelly bellies, but they're sports beans. You get them at Walmart. They're like 98 cents a pack. Yeah, so I carry those in case I need an energy boost if we go on a real long hike. So put that back in here. Sergeant Major protector. I know Sergeant Major will pop out anywhere. And those darn chiefs. So put that in there. See, I can take the cordage with this emergency blanket and make a shelter. I may have to put some more cords in here, because I'd probably have to cut this and make short to the trees. I depend on the situation. So then we'll put that there. We'll take and put the chainsaw here with the blanket. And let's see, maybe we can slide this in here, the bandage. Slide that in there. And then we take this, put this in the center. And I still have more room to put stuff in here. I'm thinking of putting some granola bars, because eventually I do want to take Rocky and Precious on a nice long hike, like we used to do, like we did the AT, part of the AT from Clark's Ferry to Halifax. Look at this young lady. She's drowned, and look at her. She's all wet. I got another drowned rat coming here. Look, you see him? See him here? Yep. I figure we could be out here, and it's nice. It's nice out. Nice out. So that's the end of. I showed you my pack, so that's going to be one video. All right. Now, and then my second video is going to be opening this MRE. So, all right. Let me just press the button, and I'll see you in the next one.